Discover how to maximize your networking events through effective strategies and meaningful connections. Hey there, welcome back to Corporate Chaos. Are networking events awkward and overwhelming for you? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will show you how to shine at networking events, build genuine relationships, and turn fleeting conversations into opportunities for growth, connections, and success. Let's help you network smarter, not harder. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards. It's about opening doors to opportunities. Strong connections can lead to job offers, collaborations, and mentorship. For young professionals, networking is the key to expanding your influence, learning from others, and staying proactive in an increasingly competitive world. When you approach networking with the mindset of building authentic relationships, the value becomes limitless. Remember, people remember those who bring mutual value, not just those who seek it. Preparation can make or break your experience. Research the event, its format, and key attendees. Make note of who you'd like to connect with, and learn about their background. This small step showcases intentionality and helps spark meaningful conversations. Practice your elevator pitch, a brief, engaging summary of who you are and what you do. This introduction sets the tone for first impressions, so make it concise yet memorable. Lastly, dress appropriately and carry essentials like business cards or a digital contact sharing app. Your appearance and preparation will exude confidence and professionalism. Breaking the ice can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Begin with a warm smile and an approachable body language. Compliment something specific, ask about the event, or comment on a shared topic to initiate conversation naturally. Shift the focus from yourself by asking open-ended questions. What inspired you to attend this event? Or, what are you working on right now? Are excellent starters. Listening intently and responding thoughtfully shows you value their input. Networking becomes impactful when conversations go beyond surface level. Focus on creating a connection instead of pitching yourself immediately. Find common ground, like shared interests, career goals, or even hobbies, to establish rapport. Quality over quantity is key. It's better to foster a few meaningful connections than to engage in brief, forgettable chats with everyone in the room. Make those you interact with feel heard and valued. Let's face it, not every interaction will be seamless, and that's okay. If a conversation stalls, gracefully pivot by saying, "It's been great chatting with you. I hope to connect again later," before moving on. Should you feel left out in a group conversation, listen intently for an opportunity to contribute positively. Show curiosity about the discussion instead of forcing your way in. It's not over when the event ends. The follow-up is where relationships blossom. Connect on LinkedIn or send a quick email within 24 to 48 hours. Mention something specific from your conversation to make the message personal and memorable. Stay engaged by sharing resources, congratulating them on achievements, or inviting them to future events. Strong networking isn't just built in one meeting, it's nurtured over time. Networking doesn't have to feel overwhelming. It's about being prepared, staying open, and focusing on quality connections. Remember, you hold the potential to create opportunities that will transform your personal and professional journey. Head to your next networking event with confidence. Subscribe for more actionable growth tips and share this video with someone looking to step up their networking game. Let's grow together, because your success starts with the connections you make.